really that much to handle. Breaking these niggas down like a gamble. You don't really know you are.
I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory, constantly holding me, constantly holding me. I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last to finally be in love and know the real meaning of a lasting relationship, not based on ownership. You love me despite myself. Sometimes I fight myself. I just can't believe that you would have anything to do with someone so insecure, someone so immature. I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last? I gotta find peace of mind. Oh, what a merciful, oh, what a merciful God. Every day's another chance to get it right this time.
Fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if this is gonna be a new video or if it's gonna be an added on video to a video I already started filming, but I'm about to show y'all. I got some stuff from Amazon. I ordered some pillowcases for the living room because I As you already could tell, I was cleaning earlier. I kind of finished cleaning. I didn't record the whole entire apartment setup after I finished cleaning, but I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Ooh, okay, these are so cute. I was thinking about putting the pillows on the chairs. Should I do that? I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna put some pillows on the chairs because I feel like it would kind of bring out the chairs a little bit more. But yeah, I got these pillowcases for the pillows on the couch. I might put the pillows on the couch on the chairs just so I can see how it looks. And depending on how it looks, I might buy some more pillows to add to the chairs. So I might be doing that. Can these even fit? Oh! Don't rip on me. These pillows are cute, babe. These pillowcases are cute. Alright, y'all, so this is how the pillowcases look, and they are super cute, and it's the perfect size for the pillow. So yeah, I'm about to try it on the island chairs to see how it looks. I still do plan on putting some decor on the walls too. I just never got the chance to do it yet, and some curtains up. But I'm not gonna lie, Bill's been kicking my ass. I'm gonna get real with y'all. Like, it's just bills after bills after bills, and then like unfortunate circumstances, like, you know, I just been all over the place. But I will put up some decor on the wall soon with some lights above it. I've been bought the lights, but I just never put up the picture frames on the wall and the curtains. So yeah, it's coming together slowly but surely. But just know, y'all gonna see the ending results. See, these look so cute on the couch. I do want to add some brown pillows on the couch too, so it could bring out like the fall color. So I might be doing that soon as well. But I'm actually going to put the pillows onto the island chairs so I can see how it looks. Excuse the island for right now because it looks messy. But yeah, y'all about to see how it looks with the table. Y'all feeling it on the island? When you have a sea, you have something comforting. I think it's different, but I don't know if I would do this color because it's kind of off on the mats. I might do another color, and probably smaller pillows because these are a little bit too big. But I mean, y'all get the concept. It's gonna look cute once I put it together. So right now I'm about to pack some hair orders. I probably gotta pack about maybe 3 or maybe 4 orders that's like ready to ship and like pre-order. So y'all gonna watch me get them together. I sell bundles, wigs, hair extensions, you name it. So make sure you go ahead and shop with me. I don't know how many times I have to say it, but make sure you go ahead and shop with me. The link will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to use Y2 Babes to get money off your first purchase with me. So yeah, I sell Burmese curly hair. My Burmese curly hair been going off the roof because everybody been falling in love. This is what I have on right now, but this is a half wig. So you see the curl texture looking real cutesy, and it's really full. This is a half wig, by the way, but you see how full the hair is. It's giving maybe 250 density, and this is only like 3 bundles being used for this half wig. So make sure you go ahead and shop up with me. But yeah, y'all gonna watch me pack orders. So I'm gonna show you guys what my customers ordered and how I'll be packaging their order for them. Now I do have like a shipment coming that has like my custom satin hair bags, but it's not gonna come, maybe, I don't think it's gonna come this week, maybe the following week, because I ran out of all my inventory with that. So I've been doing your thing, purchasing your orders for me, so I appreciate all my supporters. Bro, why my phone just fell and broke? Like, mind you, I just traded in this phone to get it fixed maybe like, I would say 2-3 months ago, and it already broke again. Like, I know they hate to see me coming, but honestly, this is like my old business phone, so I don't really care too much. But I believe I still have Apple Care on it, so I'm gonna just go to Apple and get it fixed. But it's so crazy, like, this phone don't ever want to stay clean, even though I had it for a long time now. Like, I don't know, y'all, but it's whatever though. I'm gonna get a new phone soon, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so these are my custom boxes, and when you open, this is how it looks inside. I do want to change like the top part soon to put maybe photos or like a different quote, not really a different quote, but a different design on the inside. I also want to keep the satin inside too, but I might change the boxes to like white and light purple. So let me know what y'all think about that in the comments down below. I think it will look super cute while the writing will still say my hair brand, Jam More Hair. but that will probably be all purple, I think. So like white, purple writing, and the purple satin inside. So I think it would be cute. I would just have like a mixture of boxes where it's like black and purple and white and purple. I think that would be super cute. So my customer, she ordered my 18-inch and 20-inch Burmese curly bundles, and I'm assuming that she's gonna use it for like the Fulani sewing look, because I did it back in May, and ever since I posted that video, everybody been falling in love with my Burmese curly hair. So yeah, I'm about to pack that order for her, so y'all gonna see me packing my orders. But if you're watching this video and you came from my hair page, shout out to everybody who purchased my hair. Love all the support I've been receiving from y'all in the hair purchase. Let me know your honest opinion about my hair too. Like, don't be scared to let me know your honest opinion, because I like to have different opinions about my hair to know, you know, if it's something that you like or if it's something that you like pass on. So far I haven't had any negative reviews about my hair, so I'm assuming everybody loves it, except for this one person, but like that's a whole nother story time. I'm gonna have to put y'all on too. But yeah, y'all, let me stop talking and get started in this order.
Talking about me like we together. I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Better today than yesterday. I just take it day by day. Never hearing what they say. I just do it my way.
You can put it down like the way I want it.
Okay, y'all, so this is 6 bundles of our body wave in 30 inches that a customer ordered for me. So, but this is actually going to be for an install, so I'm not even going to prep this hair as of right now because it's not until like the end of the month. Super tea, make sure you cop these. Let me know if you guys want to see like a full detailed prepping orders with me kind of video. I will surely do that, or just anything revolving my business if you guys would like to see me do. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll make a whole separate video with that, even with tips on like how to start your business, what's the pros and cons with starting a business, and the do's and don'ts about starting a business. So yeah, y'all, I do have one more order that I have to pack, but I do wash my hair before I ship it out to my clients because I want to give you guys, of course, the best experience possible. Yeah, that's another reason why y'all should shop with me, because all your hair will come hand washed by me. So yeah, y'all, make sure you shop up. Okay, y'all, so today's the next day, and right now I'm actually going to bring the packages that you seen me packing in the previous clip to the postal office, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to the gym with my cousin. So y'all can come with me while I do all that. I don't know if I'm going to end the vlog like after my gym session, but I feel like that's a good enough footage for like a day in the life or a weekly vlog of what I'm doing. But y'all, can we get into these curls? Like, and I barely have any leave out too. Y'all could peep the edges. I did a little some because I didn't want to do too much, and I barely have leave out, so the headband that I have on now, it kind of cover up my leave out, and I just blended my hair with the actual curly hair, and I want curl it. So a lot of people be thinking it's my hair, but it's not. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Whole Foods or Trader Joe's right after, but if I do, y'all gonna come with me while I run those errands. So yeah, y'all, let's go. Y'all, today I'm in the Scat. You already know I be driving this big body like it's nothing. Last month, to sum it up, I had a terrible last month. September was like the worst month out of the whole entire 2025. I broke my toe. Then I had to bring my dog to the emergency vet hospital because she needed emergency surgery right then and there. Like, there was no if or buts about it. Like, the whole month was a shit show. Plus towards the ending of the month, I had to pay for something for my car. Mind you, I had to spend thousands of dollars out of pocket to fix my car. Like, that shit was so annoying. Mind you, I had bills on top of bills on top of bills to pay, and it's like, bruh, like, why is all of this happening all in 1 month? So that was another reason why I said it was a shit show, because paying something out of pocket with my car, then my toe breaking, then taking my dog to the hospital, like, it was just too much all at once. But hey, I'm still here today. That's all that matters. But yeah, I'm about to go to the post office, drop off these packages, and yeah, y'all gonna come with me.
Better
Okay, y'all, so right now we are in Whole Foods. Dad's about to get some groceries. I'm gonna go grocery shopping later because I need like a whole list before I go ahead and start shopping. So we with Dad.